Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to leave a feedback in the Trainline application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And if you scroll down at the help section, look for the give us feedback button and just click on that. So first you can give an overall feedback with your experience using emoji. And then you can write any positive or negative feedback that you had with the application. And for example, if everything worked fine, then just write that down. And then you can opt if you want them to contact you or not, so that's optional. And then just click on the submit button and your feedback is sent. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.